welcome back to my channel and you are watching Urvi property.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews
Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
room category.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room type, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc.
Category 2. Category 4. Category 5. So talk about the landmark of this property. So you can see on the screen.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies.
Description. For more details, check in the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property,